To carry out a data download from OMNIAlog via the web pages, you first need to set up the data logger in either the Config or Stop mode. You can check the status of OMNIAlog on the Status page in the OMNIAlog Status field, or by checking the color of the second icon, Status icon. By choosing the Data Monitor function in the left-hand menu, followed by Measures, you can see the OMNIAlog status in real time. In the example, OMNIAlog is acquiring from the instruments connected to the local analog channels. In the first panel, Measure Info, there is the status of measurement progression. In the second panel, you can always see the last reading acquired for every instrument. This page is automatically updated every 20 seconds, but it is possible to force a page refresh via the button positioned in the upper right. With OMNIAlog being in the Run mode, the button and functions present on this page are all disabled. It is therefore not possible to download any data if OMNIAlog is not set in the Stop or Configure mode. On the Status page, it is possible to change the OMNIAlog status by pressing on the Stop or Configure button. By pressing Stop, it is possible to download the data but not eliminate the acquisitions. In addition to allowing reading download, pressing Configure makes it possible to cancel data. If OMNIAlog is reading a sensor, once Stop or Configure is pressed, it will terminate this reading and then set itself up in the chosen status. So that the status can be updated in the panel, it pays to await the page refresh that occurs every 60 seconds. Once the status has changed, it is possible to return to the Data Monitor page, followed by Measures. In the example, the OMNIAlog status is in Wait, and having chosen Stop, only the Measure Download button is enabled. It is possible to choose the type of output desired in the Data Download field, either Measure Log or Measure. The first has a log-style layout, where a lot of information is conveyed regarding the instrument, such as possible alarms, units of measurement, etc. The second has a column layout, suitable for data calculation with a spreadsheet. Based upon the type of output chosen in the Data Download option field, the possibility is given to personalize the data export. Once the data has been chosen, you can press the Measure Download key to begin the data download. After the creation of the .csv file, this will be saved based upon the configuration adopted by the Internet browser. In the example, the file is saved directly on the PC desktop. However, by changing the Internet browser preferences, there is the possibility to make a window appear in which you can indicate the file destination and its name. Recovering the file from your PC, it is possible to open it by double-clicking the file. This will open the spreadsheet program, such as Microsoft Excel, associated with the .csv file. After having made sure that OMNIAlog is in the Stop or Config mode, choose Data Monitor from the left-hand menu, followed by Events. The Event Monitor page will now open. As with the measurements, it is also possible to personalize the events export by choosing from the suggestions in the Event Log Download option field. Press the Event Log Download button. Based on the setup of the Internet browser used, the file will be saved in the predefined location, or you will be asked where to save the file. Once the file is downloaded, it is possible to open it using a spreadsheet software such as Microsoft Excel. Opening the spreadsheet, it is possible to find the list of all the events. After having made sure that OMNIAlog is in the Stop or Config mode, choose Data Monitor from the left-hand menu, followed by Alarms. The Alarm Monitor page will now open. As with the measurements, it is also possible to personalize the alarms export by choosing from the suggestions in the Alarm Log Download option field. Press the Alarm Log Download button. Based on the setup of the Internet browser used, the file will be saved in the predefined location, or you will be asked where to save the file. Once the file is downloaded, it is possible to open it using a spreadsheet software, such as Microsoft Excel. Opening the spreadsheet, it is possible to find the list of all the alarms.